G'day everyone. So in this video here, we're going to be looking at applying probability questions. So 3 men and 3 women are to be randomly seated, okay, in a row. We're finding the probability that both end places will be filled by women. So with this, sorry, I got a bit too excited there highlighting. But firstly, just remember your probability, and I'm just going to say 2 women at the end to represent what was in the question. At the ends, okay, this is going to be our arrangements with the restriction of what is said. So okay, restriction, and this is going to be over our total arrangements, and this is without restriction. So we just need to work out these 2 values. So firstly, with restriction, we'll work this out, okay? So 3 men and 3 women are randomly seated. We need to look at the end places are filled by women. So this is permutations because the order matters. It matters which order they sit in at the bar. Okay, or in a row. Okay, so we've got 6 boxes here. So first we need to break down how many women can sit in this first chair that's at the end. So a woman has to sit there. There's 3 women, so we have 3 possible outcomes. Now 1 woman's already sitting there, so now we're going to look at the other end. So 1 woman's already sitting there. We have 2 women left that can fill this spot here. Okay, and that's where our restrictions end. Okay, the other woman can sit anywhere that she wants. The other men can sit wherever they want. So we've got 4 people left, and they can sit here. And then after a person sat there, we've got 3 people left, then 2, then there's 1 person left there. So just remember, when we're doing this, we need to multiply all of this together. Okay, and this gives us an answer of 144. Now, to work over the total, we can do this by doing the same box method without a restriction. So we just look at how many people there are. And there's 6. Okay, so out of the 6 people, we have 6 options to fill this front seat. All right, the next seat, we have 5 after that person sit there, and so forth. Okay, so this, just remember, this is equal to 6 factorial. So our probability that there's 2 women sitting at the ends, I'm just being short with that in writing that. So just this is going to equal 144 that we worked out before over 6 factorial. And then this ends up being 0.2 or 1/5. So this is how you go about it. Just remember with these questions that you need to work out your probability. So you need to work out your probability with the restriction, or how many arrangements you have with that restriction, and you put that over the total amount of arrangements if there's no restrictions in place. Okay, so this is how you can break down these probability questions. So hopefully this helps, and good luck.